Good evening. Tonight we revisit cinema's greatest one-liners. But not quite the way you remember them.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
You're a pistol. You're really funny. You're really funny.
Funny how? Funny like I'm a clown? I amuse you? I make you laugh? Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room. What the fleck is all this about? Goodness, what? But here's some more. Here's Johnny.
I live in a swamp. I put up signs. I am a terrifying ogre. What do I have to do to get a little privacy?
Say hello to my little friend.
Movie history. Reimagined with chaos. Don't forget to subscribe for more ridiculous nonsense.
And next, folks, we have the cock-ups, the scenes that just did not quite work in VO3.
You're a funny guy, Tommy. The way you tell the story, it's just funny.
Funny how? I mean, funny like I'm a clown, I amuse you, I make you laugh, I'm here to amuse you? What do you mean funny? Funny how? How am I funny? Here's Johnny. You're gonna need a bigger boat. We're gonna need a bigger boat. We're gonna need a bigger boat. You're gonna need a bigger boat. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend.
Subscribe for more of this shite.